Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we will explore NVIDIA in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since February 21, 2025, our system has classified NVIDIA as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of minus 4.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has seen a loss of 17.73%. This equates to an average loss of 1.77% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend downward. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, but false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nonetheless, a further drop seems realistic, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, $111.06, are seen as a second chance to exit. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 9.7% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 9.3% and positive 12.35%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 49.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 49.09% to 112.74% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $164.85 and $235.23. Our latest daily update for NVIDIA includes the headline, "A very red day for NVIDIA stock price after a decline of 5.74% in the Thursday trading session." The NVIDIA stock price fell by 5.74% on the last day, Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, from $117.30 to $110.57. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.65%, with a day low at $110.22 and a day high of $115.35. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a drop of 21.08% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 41 million shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 311 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $34.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $153.13, while the lowest price was $75.61. Currently, the price stands at 27.79%, or $42.56, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which remains the all-time high for the stock. NVIDIA remains a dominant player in the tech industry, bolstered by its unique combination of hardware, CUDA software, and networking solutions. Despite this strength, the stock has experienced declines, with shares down over 5% as the tech sector faces sell-offs. Recent market volatility has stemmed from broader concerns, including lingering tariff issues and a significant drop in the Nasdaq index, which has fallen over 10% from its December peak. While NVIDIA's valuation seems appealing when compared to consumer staples and analysts maintain optimistic price targets, the company is facing increased competition in the AI space. Although concerns surrounding tariffs may be exaggerated, heightened volatility may continue to impact short-term performance. In the long term, NVIDIA's advancements in AI and its market share could provide significant recovery potential, especially as more organizations adopt AI-driven solutions. Investors should closely monitor external pressures that could influence further stock price movements. Overall, while recent declines may seem alarming, NVIDIA's fundamentals indicate potential for resurgence, positioning the stock as an enticing prospect for discerning investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 26, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, February 26, 2025, Tigress Financial also assigned NVDA a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On Sunday, February 2, 2025, Citigroup rated NVDA as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Monday, January 13, 2025, HSBC provided NVDA with a buy rating and a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 9, 2025, Oppenheimer rated NVDA as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to NVIDIA stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NVIDIA stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels 119.18 and 129.57. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 20, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 21.08%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, serving as a potential early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 7 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 23 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's delve into the support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, and under unfavorable conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.13 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 4.65%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This value is considered relatively standard for a PE ratio, typically seen in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of May, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of 92 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $118.42. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this point, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Puria JK conducted an insider purchase of 42,220 shares of common stock. On the same day, Puriajk conducted another insider purchase of 93,020 shares of common stock. Also on the 3rd of March, 2025, Tater Timothy S. conducted an insider purchase of 36,140 shares of common stock. On that same day, Tater Timothy S. conducted another insider purchase of 86,080 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 3rd of March, 2025, Huang Zhenshun conducted an insider purchase of 670,130 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 61.482. Overall, insiders purchased 1,575,652 shares and sold 7,984,823 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? NVIDIA displays several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a broad downward trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock remains negative. Following an analysis of the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of March, we predict that NVIDIA will open higher by $1.48, starting at $112.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.